Today we are at Labay Middle School and we're going to go check out some engineering, manufacturing, and some industrial technology. It's really cool. Come on with me. So what do we got here?
So what you see is everything that's made by the students that they've created in the past. So I like to keep their work as shown what they do in their display case outside too as well. So what you see is a floating table that they'll make. And
they made here. Yeah.
So I give them the basics and then they create what they like to create. So this is the principles of manufacturing where we introduce them to different machineries and so that they get to use their creativity to design their product.
This is middle school. They're doing this in middle school.
And we do have a project for you, Dr. Killian. So I would greatly appreciate it if you could help us and do me a huge favor and actually create a project.
Okay.
So then the outcome, you'll see an outcome there of something that you will hopefully appreciate and like.
That's fantastic. Thank you very much.
So we're going to have our safety glasses. We are going to have our earmuffs if it's too loud. So if you could grab one, please, so we get ready to be ready for shop.
Hi.
Hi, it's nice to meet you.
My name's Dr. Killian. Nice to meet you. What's your name?
Camille.
Camille? Okay. And what grade are you?
8.
And you're going to be helping me too? What's your name?
Yes, Joaquin.
Joaquin?
Yes.
What grade are you?
I'm 8th grade.
I took wood shop in junior high, but you guys, this is a lot more entailed. So that's pretty cool.
We're gonna go select wood.
Okay.
So
you know what kind of project are we going to be doing with this wood?
we're gonna be making a nameplate.
Oh, a nameplate. Yeah. All right, cool. I like the look that you guys are doing with kind of using the lighter wood and then some darker wood, and you know, like, or do I just need one piece of wood?
No, you need 2. This one?
Yeah, that'll work.
Okay.
Yeah, that'll look good together.
Okay.
Cool. All right. Thank you.
So you're just gonna place the wood in here.
Okay. So we're gonna. Do I need to make that?
Yeah, but you tighten it later, so you just place them in there.
So just place them both in there. And we're gonna glue them together.
Yes. And then you move this one
to
so
tighten
you can tighten it. Yeah.
Boy, that doesn't want to move anymore.
Oh, you have to clamp this and then go up. Oh, sorry.
Okay. Of course I did.
We're going to use this one right here.
Okay, cut.
We're gonna have to put some glue on our finger.
Okay. And you're gonna spread it across?
Yeah, we're gonna spread it across. Well, if you want to put some on here actually first.
Oh, okay. So you want to go the whole length?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then we just put this together. And then we just get the clamp and then clamp it. Yeah.
Yeah. Now I've worked with these before because I have these at home. I've done some tables. Cool.
Oh, that's okay. And then 24 hours later, it becomes this.
It just changed. Look at the magic of time lapse. Look at that.
We have to scrape all the glue off, the excess right here.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So, you like this?
Yeah.
You want to? Can you show me what you're talking about, or?
So we're just gonna.
And that's called a planer?
No, this is just scraping the excess glue off.
Okay, well, we're planing it, making it smooth?
Yes, that machine over there.
It's going to make it really smooth?
Yes.
Okay.
So we just take it off the thing. Yeah, you just place it right there.
And then you just release it?
How did you do this? There.
See, they stick.
And then we come over here to this machine.
Okay.
So we're gonna pull this and then turn the machine on.
Okay.
And you can place the wood right here.
All right.
And you're just gonna measure it right here, yeah.
So you want it just right to where it goes in, but it doesn't be too high?
And you can just push it in.
Okay. Yeah. That's cool.
And then it gets all the glue off.
Yeah, cool. That is excellent. Thank you.
And then you just push that button.
Okay. So this is the kind of stuff you really like, huh?
Yeah, I like,
So that's cool. Well, thank you so much. I appreciate that. Thank you for showing me that. Look at that. So what are we doing now?
So if you want to change anything, you can.
Okay.
But then we're going to put the piece of wood in there and print it or engrave it, and then it should be done.
I love technology. So what we would have done in my day, I would have probably drawn it on something and then, or typed it out and then rubbed on here, like maybe I transferred it, and then I would have had to cut it out myself.
Okay.
Yeah, that looks
ready?
good. Yeah, perfect. How do you like this class, by the way?
It's one of my favorite classes.
This would have been one of my favorite. I did woodwork and metalwork when I was in junior high, and just working with the hands, you have something after you get done, right?
Yeah.
So that's cool. What do you like about it?
Just being able to express creativity here.
Yeah, because it's not just a science, but it's an art too, right? Yeah, I love that. Okay, so what do we need to do next?
So we're gonna put these and make sure it fits on the corners of them. So now we close it and press print.
So it's actually a laser then, so it's lasing on the top of that. That is so cool. So what are we going to do after it does that? Are we going to have to go cut it off somehow, or?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's stuck.
That's perfect. So just open this. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? That's because I have a great teacher. So now we're going to go cut it off, I guess? Okay.
So Camille's gonna walk you through the whole last process for us.
Okay.
And so that way you'll take it today too as well. So we're gonna put it through the planer. We're gonna plane on this side, and we're gonna make it as thin as Dr. Killian would like. So the uniqueness of every project is creativity.
Yeah.
I give them the base of what they want, but they get an end result.
So then they can vary what they want, and then so everything's completely unique. As a parent, I love that you're also giving them that competitive edge and that uniqueness and all that stuff.
And that's what we're here at Labay, making them think about it and think outside the box.
I can see why you're just so outgoing. I want to do things with you. I want to do things for you.
Well, I appreciate that, and I appreciate keeping the program because it means a lot to the kids.
Oh yeah. Well, and it's the richness of public schools too, because you get to try things that it's just not reading, writing, arithmetic. It's actually application of a lot of those things that they learn in the other classes.
You're gonna move it forward, and then once you feel it get caught on the piece of wood,
then that's when it's just absolutely level, right?
Yeah, and then you're gonna roll it back at least twice, and then roll it back forward.
Okay.
And then you just push it through. Just make sure your hands aren't too close. And then you can go again if you wanted to.
I don't know. What do you think? We cut it off, and it sits on my desk just like that.
Yeah.
And everybody will ask me, where did you get that? And I'll go, Labay. So that's cool.
You're gonna lay it down, and when you move it down, there's...
And then the line shows you where. So then do I need to hold this?
The yellow, you don't put your hand anywhere near it.
Yeah,
just
but then you lock it down.
You gotta lock it down, yeah.
Okay.
You're gonna grab this and pull this when you're ready.
And then,
go slowly go down and make sure it goes all the way down, and then you pull it back up.
Gotcha. And then just smooth and steady?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Okay, cool. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, cool. All right, look at that. Pretty slick. Yeah. Thank you so much. That's beautiful. All right. This will be in a place of honor on my desk. Thank you. Thank you so much for inviting me to manufacturing class. It was so great to congratulate you last year on the stage as Teacher of the Year, but now I know why. I mean, the kids, they love you. This is a wonderful class, and we're just so blessed to have you here. So thank you so much for letting me come into your classroom and interrupt your day. Your kids are great.
Well, thank you.
Really
thank you for visiting Labay Middle School.